really the return of the investment has already paid off almost immediately after getting my certification. All right, that's it. We're gonna start over and go to EMT school. And I went, it was for 3 months. And after I finished, I was like, okay, time to take the EMT, the NREMT. Between starting another year of university and just not really feeling confident about the test, I pushed the NREMT off about 18 times over the next year. So then I finally was like, okay, something needs to change. So I was just perusing videos on YouTube, and then I came across Evan Paramedic and, of course, the Paramedic Coach channel. Then I heard about the program that was being offered, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like the answer to my dreams. See, the teaching style just really clicked for me. So as someone with ADHD, I like someone who's very concise, but also keeps people engaged throughout a lecture. And I really felt that these were detailed, but this was the information I needed to know. So the YouTube was kind of that trial period. I was like, okay, I'm really enjoying this. So certainly the program has to be great. And it really was. First impression, it's a little daunting to see all those videos because I'm realizing, oh man, I should have known this stuff coming out of school, but there's only so much an instructor can teach you in the class, and only in so much detail. And fortunately, we don't have a set calendar for the NREMT accelerator. It's at your own pace, which was really nice for me when I'm in university. So I could kind of budget my time, like, okay, I'm going to do airway this day, cardiovascular this day. And by breaking it up, it helped me take these, really big concepts into bite-sized pieces. So there really are so many opportunities offered throughout the Paramedic Coach program. The community is as big of a draw as Evan Paramedic is. So I think together it really creates this unstoppable force that is a great reckoning for EMS. Just in the last couple months of being a part of this program, I've seen it evolve into so many cool different opportunities, be it further advancements within the Paramedic Coach community, but also the continuing growth from different parts of the world, even of new, I guess you could say, students joining up. Evan's a great teacher. I would consider him a EMS friend at this point. Since hop off, you'll be glad you did. I was somebody who was really hesitant to try anything after EMT school. I thought I was prepared for the exam, and after taking some practice exams, I quickly realized I need some more help, but I can't go back to school. But I kind of needed a tutor of sorts, and I was kind of apprehensive to ask for help. And here was this guy that I saw who was super available to his students, offered great modules, and was at a reasonable price, which really the return of the investment has already paid off almost immediately after getting my certification. So I think it's one more person in each of our corner. And for those of us starting off in EMS and may not have friends or family who are in the field, it's one more person to kind of help guide us through that journey.